Hello everyone and welcome to How to Professional. In this video, I am going to show you how to get My AI on Snapchat. My AI is a new feature on Snapchat that functions as the platform's version of the popular chatbot GPT. As an artificial intelligence system, users can converse with it and inquire about a wide range of subjects such as travel ideas, recipes, gifts for specific individuals, and more. To access My AI on Snapchat, you must ensure that your Snapchat application is updated. Afterward, go to your Snapchat profile by clicking on your profile photo and then clicking on the Snapchat Plus option. To access this feature, you must subscribe to Snapchat Plus, which costs $40 per year or $4 per month. Keep in mind that this feature is currently an experimental feature that is only available to Snapchat Plus users. However, it will be available to all Snapchat users in the future. To access My AI, you can subscribe to Snapchat Plus or wait until the feature is available to all users. When you subscribe to Snapchat Plus, the chatbot will appear at the top of your chats, and you can use it like a regular chat. If you found this tutorial useful, please leave a comment below and subscribe for more tutorials like this in the future. Thank you for watching, and if I helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.